Hi guys, my name is Kyla Attardo and I'm the delivery coordinator here at Waverley Mitsubishi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to lay down your third and second row seating flat in the Mitsubishi Outlander. Let's start with the third row. So the first step in the third row is to take off the headrests. There's storage for them right here. Next step is to pull the levers up the top by the shoulder, up, and lay the seat down flat. Now we'll move on to the second row. Okay, now starting with the second row, the first step is to pull lever 1 to release your headrests. The second step is to pull lever 2. And the third step is to pull the lever by the shoulder down. Now we'll just repeat the same steps on the second side. Lever 1, lever 2, and lever 3. As you can see here, now your cargo space can be completely flat. Thanks for watching, and I hope this shows you how much storage space your Mitsubishi Outlander really has to offer.